Hi, morning everyone. Oh, beautiful sunny day. So currently, well, I think it's super overexposed. So bright here. Currently, I'm out. Look at this, such a wide space here. And I happen to be on top of a mountain that I hike up. It's not supposed to be a hiker space. It just happened to be right across the premium outlet, which is just down there. Right, so I'm gonna try to fly the Mavic 3, and this time with the new firmware. At the same time is I'm gonna test out the wide angle lens that I managed to get hold of. So it's a 15 mm wide angle, so standard is 24. So when I put in the filter, which is a wide angle filter, it becomes 15 mm. So let's have a look at it. So let's take out the strap. I love this strap. This allows me to go anywhere. So this is the standard filter which comes with the, and this is the wide angle, so which is from JSR. I'm going to open this and put it in. So it looks very long. Look at that. Look at the size. Right, so that's how it looks like. Very deep in, and seems to be like a magnifying glass. So I'm going to change this on. Let's have to take it out. So it's easy to take it out. It will detect the sensor, and then you won't be able to use any of the function with, which is the droning function or any of the quick shots with the wide angle. So because of the weight, you see, it goes down. So it's a bit heavier. So let's try this out. Okay, the other thing I wanted to show you all is the new landing gear that I have, which is for the Mavic 3, because I'm always on rough terrain, sand and soil. So this is how it goes in. Just go in, and then it clips to the vents at the bottom. So it does do that. And then what I like is oops, let's open it up first. What I like is it opens up to the spider stance, which is this size. That's what I want. And then it clips on and it goes to the top at the back. Yeah, so it locks in through the vents. Hopefully it doesn't cause any problem with the ventilation. So now I have a proper landing gear. So that's how the landing gear will look like, and then I'm quite off the floor, so I don't have to worry about where I land now. Home point updated. So that's me, and you can see this wide angle lens. So how sharp is the wide angle lens? Let's look at that. And it's quite far. After I'll test this with the normal lens. This is where I am. So this is where I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 8 steps here. And that's how it looks like. Does it detect master shots? No, it doesn't, because it's unable to shoot because it detects wide angle lens. Same with Quickshots, it detected the wide angle lens, so it doesn't want to let me use that. So let's turn it back to normal, and then let's try the drone this way. I'll do the manually then. So that's how the wide angle looks like. It's really wide. That's it. That's most likely there. And then let's switch this to video and start flying. So let's move forward. So at cinema, so cinema is very slow. and the wind is this direction, so I'm not worried that it won't come back because I'm facing the wind direction. So let's fly around and turn it around and get some nice shots. There is an hawk or eagle around here. I just saw that. That would be pretty scary if it happens to take notice of the drone. So that's I looks like, and I'm coming back to my spot. And this is the plateau that I'm on. It's an abandoned hill, which is great for drone flying. So let's keep on flying and then we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I have enough battery to sustain. Okay, that's the eagle there. Can you see that? Okay, there he is. That's the drone heading towards the eagle. I hope he don't find me as a piecemeal. And speaking of that, I better switch it to normal mode in case it decides to come after the drone. So there is. I can't really see it with my screen. Maybe I'll switch it to 7 times if I can get hold of that. Let's stop this and let's hand it to that house there. Let's go to 7 times. Whoa, crazy good. Let's pan it down. And that's 7 times. 7 times, and that's pretty good, right? Wow, look at that. That is 14 times, and that's 28 times. Wow, it's crazy good. Let's turn it back to normal. That's how it goes, and we'll see if it can return to home if I'm using the wide angle lens.
Go home.
So it is going home. It just flew back at the height that it was. It didn't go up to, because I set it to the standard bypass, and that's coming back. And there it is up there. It's coming down. Hi. So that's me. So we'll land this and take out the wide angle lens and we'll put in the normal lens. Let's do drone, right? That's me. Yep. Let's do drone. So it's doing a drone and pretty slow one. Bye. It's really boring. It's gonna come back, right? So that's very boring, right? Drone. Obstacle detected. So it detected that I am an object here. Let's do another thing, which is a rocket. And then let's select me as the object, and then let's start. So it's gonna do a rocket and bye. So it looks like up there, it's going up. Wow, there goes my neck. Okay, there's the rockets. And it's gonna come back down. And it's coming back down. And that's what it did. So let's do circle. Let's do a circle. And let's do this. So let's draw over me. And let's start. So it's going around me. That's how it's going. Wow, that's pretty fast. Okay, that's spookingly fast. Why did he do that? So let's stop that, and then let's change this to helix, and we shall do this, and then draw it on me. Yep, it's got me, and then now it's going to go helix. Right? Hopefully you don't do something crazy. So this is a good place to try out your drone, because you're on top of a hill and there's no antennas around and nobody's around. You got the whole hill. The only thing you have to worry about is your wind. Wow, crazy is flying. I can understand why when people are trying this and hit something and it's in trouble. So it's quite fast. So let's bring it back home and land it. So there you have it. Let's land this. So there you have it. This is the wide angle lens I tested earlier on, and this is the normal lens now I have on. And with the landing gear, which I love, this is look like spider landing gear. It looks very nice. It managed to detect it as a wide angle lens and didn't allow me to do any of the quick shots and master shots. So it's quite intelligent. I think it also sensed by the weight, not just by the sensor. I'm not sure how sharp it is. I'm going to put it up in the video and you guys decide whether it's sharp. It is sharper, should be sharper than my anamorphic lens which I tested. I think everyone was screaming that it's not sharp in my comments. And yeah, I do think it's not sharp, but it's only sharp in the center. That's mainly what anamorphic is supposed to be, I think. Hopefully you guys will be screaming at me again. So that's all I have for today. So it's a wonderful day, very nice hot Sunday. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day and see you. Bye.